I'm that, yeah. Been that, still that, will forever be that, forever be that. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive, I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bill talking cash, be like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a if I had him. That's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you just really getting kinda boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit. I need a mop to clean the floors, too much drip. Ooh. I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep a whip. Ooh. Let's play a game, Simon says I'm still that. Ay, I'm still that. Yeah, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's up? What's happening? What's up? I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking stupid, what's happening? What's up? What's happening? I'm lit like a match, ooh. And any I let hit is still attached, ooh. That body right, but you notice that, ooh. I drop a picture, now these feel attacked, ayy. Don't let that catch you up and get you whacked, I make a call and get a smack, This time I pull it up, where you at, ooh. I'm in a lamb, catch me if you can, ooh. I'm kicking just out they spot, Stelly Chan, You say I taste like sugar, but ain't sweet.
You guys, I'm dead. I'm just gonna be real. I shot that, maybe this was the 4th, 5th time to make it like somewhat perfect. As you continue to do this routine, if you work this into your workout routine at the end, or even if this is just your quick workout of the day, just a few quick tips. Make sure when you're in that plank, your body's in full line with your spine, so don't like shift your hips towards the mat or shift or have your butt up or anything like that. Make sure your hands are completely on the ground, so don't just do this because you can break some things. Make sure your hands and wrists are all in line, your fingers pointing to the front of wherever you're facing. Let me know how many times you get through this. Again, I'm being realistic. That was like my 4th or 5th time trying to film it perfectly without any mistakes. And I made sure I wanted to do it all in one take to make sure this is reasonable. So yeah, let me know if this is fun for you. It was fun for me. I'm sweating, okay? This was supposed to be a little quick filming. It wasn't really that quick. But yeah. Look out for more content. I cannot wait to work out with you more. Take care. Bye. Don't let that catch you up and get you whacked. I make a call and get a smack. This time I pull it up, where you at? I'm in a lamb, catch me if you can. I'm kicking just out they spot, Stelly Chan. You say I taste like sugar, but ain't sweet.